Hello guys, welcome to another Autocad video. Today we're going to be looking at meshes. So meshes are basically just a way to smoothen out 3D objects you made. So let's get started. I'm creating just a normal block. So right now I'm going to use one of the mesh tools called smoothen object. What it actually does is just smoothens the object when you click on it. As you can see here, the square is more rounded and has a bit more smoother edge. Alright, this way we can just keep smoothening it. If we add this smoothness level and just keep increasing it, it will basically increase the amount of polygons it has. Okay, so let's start off with what polygons are first. As you can see, it's a lot more smoother now, but yeah. So polygons are nothing but the number of squares the object has. So basically when you take an object like this and when you smoothen it, it smoothens it by using sharper objects, and the more multiple sharper objects that it uses, the more it looks smoother to us. Okay, so if we go close here, you can see that there are like multiple squares on the cube I just drew. So basically it just keeps increasing these cubes to the point where it becomes more and more smoother. So that way it will just make it more and more smoother and just make it look more better, something you would see uh, outside of your PC, like maybe a soap bar or something where it just becomes smooth after use. It kind of gives you that kind of effect if you need it. So that's what the smooth object is for, and you can also reduce it if you don't want the smoothening. And yeah, you can just keep doing this to smoothen the object to the point where it just becomes super smooth like this. And mesh option here, yeah, this just reduce it back to how it used to be, but it's better to just use control Z to bring it back if you don't want the smoothness. All right, so that's how you change the mesh icon. Mesh refine is nothing but a way to just make it more clearer. As you can see, it's kind of like how you see your flower pots and stuff at home, where it's like smooth. And right now this thing hasn't been meshed, so it doesn't work. But if I make it into a smooth and mesh, and then I just keep smoothening it, and then if I refine it, it will get a bit more refined look to it. You need multiple objects connected to it to see the more refined options to it. But yeah, basically if you're like making some artistic work, or maybe you just need a smoother edge or something like that, you can just use smooth meshing and make it more smoother. And as you can see here, there's so many more polygons on there now. And yeah, this way you can tell how many you have made or how many you have created. The more you create, the more it will hit your system, and depending on your system it's gonna change basically. So yeah, and you can also go here, do the face select and select one of them and edit them as well if you need a bit more like different kind of artistic works, I guess. So yeah, so to do that, you basically go to selection of face. Since it created so many faces, you can go and select a face here. Edges, vertex, these are stuff you should have seen in 2D. But yeah, you can use this to model your own kind of models if you are going for some artistic like vase, teapots, cups and stuff like that. Okay. Anyways, hopefully this was useful and hope to catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!